Okay guys, I have ordered the Lab Diagnostics 16 in 1 Regent test strips for water testing. And this little kit says it tests lead, fluoride, iron, copper, mercury, total chlorine, nitrite, nitrate, pH, total alkalinity, total hardness, aluminum, sulfate, bromine, free chlorine, and cyanuric acid. So this is a neat little test kit. This kit I ordered it on eBay. It was $20, and this one actually comes with 200 test strips, so you can test 200 times for your water, the quality of your water. And here is the bottle. Here's the bottle, and on the bottle it has the color indicators for the contaminants that you're testing in your water, and then it lists on the side of the bottle. It lists, in corresponding to the color chart and the indicator chart, it lists the specific contaminants that you're testing for in your water. Amazing little kit, and most of them only come with 100 test strips, but this one actually comes with 200 test strips, and it gives you directions on the side of the box how to test. And it's got on the inside of the box, it's got more instructions, test procedure, and it's got a strip components. Test pads are impregnated with reagents adhered to a biodegradable PLA thermoplastic alpha-lactic polyester strip. Test use, test method, test parameters and significance. It says do not touch the reagent test pad, so you're not supposed to touch the colored area on the test strips. You're only supposed to touch the test strips at the end of the test strip. So let's go ahead and open this bottle up and see what we have here. These test strips are supposed to be, okay, the bottle's sealed, so your bottle's sealed, no contaminants in shipping. No contaminants in shipping, and so you know that your product has not been contaminated before it gets to you. Go ahead and open this up. Awesome. So it gives you 2 different packs of test strips, 2 different bags, each containing, that are sealed, containing 100 test strips. Wow, and they're packed in there pretty good. So there's 100 test strips right there, and so you keep that, and you know that these have not been contaminated with external contamination. And this is the other bag. So each little bag contains 100 test strips. And this is actually pretty neat. This is pretty fantastic. These actually fit pretty tight into the bottle. And of course, do not throw your bottle away. Your bottle gives you the contaminant you're testing for, and corresponding to the color chart, which indicates if your water has been contaminated. This says this is specifically for water, but I imagine you could test other things too. So let me open this bag. I believe there's a place that says to open it right there. Yep, excellent. And so here's the bag, and here's the end. Okay, here's the test strips. And I'm going to take one out. And remember, it says do not touch the color part of the strip. Only touch to avoid cross-contamination, only touch the end of the strip where you're going to place a strip into the water. And these are chemicals and elements that will react to contaminants in water. And this strip, as it changes colors, if you have contaminants, it will show the color corresponding to the contaminant on, and it actually gives you the amount, I guess, for, it says mercury 660 part per million, and then it gives you, it says how to use the tap strip. Dip a strip into water for 2 seconds and then remove it for best results. Carefully shake off any excess fluid. Hold the strip horizontally for 60 seconds to allow accurate readings. Compare against color chart on the bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 seconds in the water. I'm putting the bag of test strips back in the bottle, if that's possible. I'm going to set this, well, I'm not going to set it down because I don't want cross-contamination, so I'm going to have to wait to put this in the bottle. These test strips are pretty shake off excess fluid and wait 60 seconds, it says, for your results. And then you line up the test strip with the bottle and it'll tell you how you are doing. So, and I imagine you can compare this to, looking at it right now, this lead indicator at the top of the bottle appears to be in the pretty high range. It says 60 parts per billion, and this is pretty darn red here. So, and for mercury, it says this is actually 0.005 at 60 parts per million. So I'm not sure what the acceptable levels of contamination are, and I don't know if it says this on this material. Yeah, here we go. Quick guide for water reagent test strips 16 and 1. And green is okay and red is bad. Is just what it's indicating here. So I'm not sure if I have this right. I may have the strip upside down. Yeah, the strip is upside down. So this is actually indicating that, yes, this is very good. This is very good. This is fantastic. So it's stating, it's giving on the chart, it's giving the okay, the parameters to what's okay and what's not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. 9, that's okay. 10, 11, 12. Free chlorine, yeah, it's okay. And then red, cyanuric acid pools and spas. Okay, so we have the results now. Everything in this water at my father's residence is showing that it's okay. There's not, this test strip is saying that everything's okay, and that it is indicating a little bit high level of cyanuric acid, and it is in the red zone for that, and it's indicating that this is an indication of pools and spas, which there's actually a spa sitting right behind me. So, but that shouldn't be in the water. That shouldn't be in the drinking water, and so that's very good. We're happy that the water's okay here. And this is the Lab Diagnostics 16 and 1 reagent test strips for water testing. It tests low-level detection range for heavy metals. It's 16 in one, so you can test for 16 different contaminants in your drinking water. There's 200 strips. It was $20 for this, and this is good. I'm going to put this to very good use. I'm actually going to seal this back up in this bottle, wrap it up in a couple of freezer baggies, and I'm going to be testing my water from here on out. And probably till the day I die with what's going on with all the water and stuff around here. So this is indicating every single thing, the chart here, which is also on the bottle, has got an indicator level for what's okay and what's not. And this is it's actually the first indicator. The strips are upside down. The first indicator is at the top of the chart, and the first indicator towards my fingers is at the bottom of the chart, and the last indicator is at the top of the chart. So this is how you test water. It's only 2 seconds in the water, and then in 60 seconds you'll have your results. This is pretty amazing. This is pretty awesome technology, not very expensive, and a sure way to make sure that your water is safe to drink and that you are not being exposed to chemicals that will kill you within a few days if you're drinking water contaminated with this stuff. So again, Lab Diagnostics 16 in 1 test strips. I bought it on eBay. It's got 200 test strips, so I mean, go figure. You can, it says it's for water, but I imagine I could test tea, and I could buy gallons of water at the supermarket and test it for poisons and toxins. So fantastic, very happy about this. Going to be a lot more healthy. Drinking water is the best thing for you. I don't know about you, but my kidneys have a lot of problems processing milk and heavier fluids. Even what's that milk that I buy? The soy milk. Even soy milk, my body doesn't process it. When I drink water, I feel better and I urinate more, and my body obviously processes it a lot faster. So Lab Diagnostics 16 in 1 water test strips, worth every single penny. Save your life and to make sure you're getting clean water that you're drinking every day. Thanks, guys.